Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be installing a front lip on the Civic. It's going to be sick. Hey, get back down there. Shut up. Unboxing time.
There you go, finally.
We're not done. It's not out. We ain't out of the woods yet. Okay, here's our front lip. Cheap plastic. Smells like your mom. Cheap and plastic, just like your Okay, so these Honda bumpers come with 2 divots in either side of the bumper that look like they're meant to be drilled out for some kind of a lip anyways. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna put my lip on, mock it up, and I'm going to use either a Sharpie or a paint pen to mark where I want the holes to be drilled in the actual front lip. Yep, got him. Okay, now we're just gonna drill these baby boys out.
Don't drill into your hand, bro. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Look relatively similar.
Now we're gonna get it lined up and get some bolts in these holes. Bolts and holes.
Life ain't nothing but bolts and holes. Tell me how it looks from the front. Is it straight? Look alright?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty straight.
Sick. What about the guy holding it?
It looks kind of good.
Well, got the sides on, just using hardware from my local Ace Hardware, wouldn't you have it? And not bad, honestly. I ain't too upset with it. So I decided to do 4 bolts along the bottom. I bought washers in case I felt like I needed a wider clamping surface, but the drill bit I chose basically makes a nut out of the holes I drilled, and the bolts they would probably stay in without the nuts. And so the only other thing I would say is that make sure you get the bolts with the washers kind of built in. That way you don't have to use washers and just make it harder to use and look more clunky. So yeah, I'm just gonna insert these 4 and then I think we're actually good to go. Wow. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, that looks really nice. That looks really cool.
Yeah, she's coming together. Looks less stupid on the outside. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially if you want to see more of the future of the Civic. $500, and then 100% eBay. Got the Celica, which was not $500, and was
$5,000.
Yeah, and it was not eBay most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're actually putting nice parts on that. That's why it takes longer to come out, because you can't just, oh, $50, sure, coil it, sick. Yeah. So, yeah.